Welcome to Savor Time, everyone. Buckle up for a ride as we enjoy amusing videos showcasing individuals from various regions across the nation. From unique accents to entertaining cultural variances, depicted in this video brings a delightful blend of comedy and insights into different ways of life. Let's dive in. Share your anecdotes with us by leaving a comment. Let's lighten the mood with some laughter. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Good people enjoy, and I thank you.
Angitshela kahle ngempela lento yokupost ifunde vele. Postela into ebuba, ngipostelani? Yini ongipostela yona vele? Uze uyabhala forever yena umsangano mononu forever wami. Postelani? Yini mengidlala nawe mina masuba serious? Ubelani serious ngidlala nawe? Shuyathatha manje uyokunameka nje, uyanginameka manje sekufuna ngibuke izwe ke manje. Sekufuna ngifonelwe ke manje. Ngibuzwe ngawe ke manje. Ubi artist leselebho namanje empilweni yami. Ufuna ngifonelwe ekhaya manje, ngifonelwe unkosikazi, ngifonelwe esontweni. Ngifonelwe ke manje ngibuzwe ngawe kuthiwa ubani lo? Ufuna ukuduma, ufuna ukutrenda. Ufuna ube celeb ngami manje. Ufuna manje ngiaskwe. Postelani? Yangisuse wena, ungisuse, awungikhiphe wena. Yangichontule wena lapho unginameke khona. Asisicefe.
I've never seen a man with a six-pack who has a billion, who's a billionaire. He's not there. They're all broke. They're all working on the border. They're using a taxi. You find them in the taxi park when like, hey, sure. Their whole brain is in the chest. He's thinking about sexy. Sexy. Good girl. Kanyama.
Ndasese ngathi mina singalithununga le 1000 laphana kule mali leyo ngibambise yona yolobola laphana ngalithunuka le 1000 ngathi ufesikhala sokhala Ndasese laphana sokhala mshana sokhala bawehlisela mshana bawehlisela mshana ezothinta nje kancane mshana ukwazi ukuthola phela amabhodla ambala mshana fesikhala lapha le 1000 ngakulikhalela ngoba sizokhala masifika lapha mshana ngithunuke mshana uDecember sobona sizopesha mshana sizopesha.
$10 million owinile uthi ku-From wine 300,000 mase ufaka wonke u-300,000 kuyena abone ukuthi nje lo isilima sami kanti uhlele no9,700,000 moke wathi uwina u10 million uma nokudivorce vele uthathi vele akakufuni
uzofuna no5 bar
hayi njengoba nihleli vele akakufuni ubekezele nje lesihlame esiwena wena usuthi wina u10 million no ithi wena u300,000 khona ezohlala nawe udla imali yakho uma wafaka idivorce 5 bar siyayazi
angaze ngiyibone nje intombazane ephuza ubhi angaze ngiyibone ephuza utshwala
Kadoba nabamele bephuza utshwala
amakhehla
kuphi intombazane iphuza utshwala
lapha etolo
kanti nani intombazane iphuza utshwala
nje ayithandi
awuyithandi
Urutsala wakhama matsamaka bushini. Ubechile bana. Amukhukwa waduka ona yoko bereka le burla mtjao a pateti. O watshwere ke tsala ona shebo. O bereka masepa asemmereko. Ona le mmereko wa go Absa bo Reserve Bank. Wa
le mo maphodisa go tsamaya ka dimentlele ga ba file ene senang kolupi o just pap o ka re ya Natala o tshwara ba battery mahala mara ga ona go le makhuskhus o na le office di-laptop o roma bona le ko masoleng net so le ko tronko le ko mazere ba reka di-mentlele and di-mentlele di rarobadile wena wa konopinyana masepa ya kgale-kgale o berekela service a wa ruteya ka mentele brabra kalo le phodisa 40 years ka mentele mo one a wa ira a wa ruteya o bola ke dibiri ko tefra ba fa one makhuwa ele cheyo wa
ubona inkinga umuntu azonkela ukuthi uyangibophisa vele serious uthi ngimlumile like this so umuntu ngamluma nephoyisa ngitshele kahle ngikhiphile discharge namanje ngilangaphandle like discharge uthi ngimlumile mina so ke ningiboniseni bantu abamhlophe nabamnyama phela inkinga.
That's what my father gave me. Gedleihlekisa.
What does it mean?
It means one who loves with you was endangering you.
Don't forget to engage with us in the comment section and blast in the like and subscribe button. Good people, I thank you.
Aye, black is not nice. Mofeng Hey, Peter. Hey, Munat, you're at size 8. Char. You're nonsense. This size 8. Are, man, Lerat, Samuel level skipper. Samuel level skipper let house. Are, you're a capel. When I was very happy, you got it. Oh, yeah, guy. Hey, like a size man. Talk about, hey, only the con, Simoto, Honotama. Oh, Honang, Tamagabot. Bo. Ugabanchara so for le gaboroko bo wen o ga bia boroko so tsa malena o bona re na le nya joen.
One drunk man is more intelligent than 3 women with PhDs.
Thank you so much.
That's
Thank you so much.
That's the
Thank you so much.
That's the
Bafazi, isitho sethu sangasese asiso sodwa esigcina indoda. Usungasimarinate, usifaka ama-ice block, usifake imithi, unathe izihlahla ezinathwayo, ustime uyenzeni but ayisiso sodwa esigcina indoda. Yes, siyafuneka, kumele indoda uyinike, kodwa ayisiso sodwa esigcina indoda.
Ya go diang e?
Ya go ja marago.
Ke eng ntwe?
Kondo.
Ke go diang?
Ke go ja marago.
O tseba jwang wena?
Hey, man, why would someone?
And he's not even from here, he's from Kamushisa.
Eh?
Sit down.
O tsare ke dropo. Yo le dropo e di la rutse mon. Eh?
Lona diabetes a ga tsore ke di drop.
Ke diabetes ke drop.
The needles is for other things, it's not for...
Wena. Did she steal from your shop?
Yes, inside.
Hey man, why are you stealing from these people? Eh? Motho a sotho o thuše kae? Dropo. So na le dropo wena wa utswa. Dropo o tsebe re ba ba betsa ka mo pele ka hamole.
Yes, it's not a clinic.
Utsitseng. Utsitseng. Eh? So wa sa utsi di star sa dropo utswa di panel. O di anga di panel.
Sharp. Hey, come on. Ke mang o founela nna mpotsa ke mang o mpotsa nywana mos.
Hey, phone ke wona minute call ka mo phone.
Eh wena nywana o a never go founela nna ke na di miss call tsa nywana. Wena kwena founela nna wa o mpotsa nna hore ke mang.
Hey Sebunu, bua. Nwanao. Ska tlo mfonela phone ya ka o mpotsa hore ke mang. Ke lahlehile nna.
A bene phone eo e phone di monna.
Wena nwanao ke ka. Hey. Mamela. Kere mareta wa ukwa. Kere mareta wa maputswa. A never ku phonelang. Ke a o tseba wa ntseba nna.
Ona ku wena onruwa o na ku ruwa bene ke a bukisa ka
bene.
Ayi isinqamsodila ngeke hayi besifuna udubule siteko sisifishane kodwa ke siqhamuka kwalensizwa iyastabuna hayi madoda uqhawe madoda hey
mbotse mmobane ha le tlhasela ngwana aka le re ya comment bla bla le sa itse media o bereka bjang. Don't you know bereking di company di a take batho ba famous or people with good profiles le gore ba late bana ba lena ba bitsang batho ka marete kwa o creating ba se tlhefetse ba re bala go se tlhefala motho a re bala tshorele twana o lentsha o di go bonga ditsotswane after you gore ba mme go comment a sa to hafela ngwana aka please se sa to tawa le
babana shelter boy man babana shelter sin aw monna babana shelter December tsebo yake bo a go zame 350 mo tle mo shebe gore ka sa prove a monna ke na shelter tle monna zama 350 mo se no shebe gore ka se go approve na kgwedi le kgwedi o nne jele 350 babana shelter